Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol MRNS. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Real quick, what do I mean by 30-minute in case maybe you're new to charts? Instead of each one of these candlesticks here representing 1 day's worth of price action, which is what you would normally see, each one represents 30 minutes. So while this here may look like several days worth of time, it's actually today's price action broken down into 30-minute time slices. I like to do this time frame. I think it's a good job of telling the quote-unquote story of the price, and then makes mapping out levels of support and resistance a bit easier to see. I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways. Very nice movement today, not only from a price action perspective, but you look down here at the volume, and by far the biggest volume this chart has had for quite a while. So a lot of eyeballs on this one. So let's map out some levels of support, and then we can talk areas of resistance. So the first level of support, in my mind, is what I would call the ideal level. When we say, hey, Clay, what would make this chart look the absolute strongest going forward? And that would be if the price can stay up here above $5.75. Now, don't get me wrong. If the price falls below $5.75, by no means am I saying the entire chart's ruined or anything like that. But yeah, if the price can manage to stay up above that level, that would certainly be a huge sign of power going forward. Next level of support after that would be the bottom portion of this consolidation phase, and that sits down there at directly, well, that makes it easy, $5.50. So $5.75, $5.50, two of the near-term levels of support. Taking a step back, though, and looking at things from more so a big picture point of view. So this assumes you have a broader time horizon on things, but that's where the purple line comes into play, which is the famous 50-period simple moving average. Keyword being moving. So as time goes by, this purple line is going to move itself higher and higher. So a very basic yet highly effective way to judge the health of the move, this right here being defined as quote-unquote the move, just watch that purple line. As long as the price stays above that line, as the line itself moves higher and higher, then the bulls are in full health, the bulls are in full control, no questions asked. Again, yeah, staying above 575 would be great, but from the grand scope of it all, as long as the price stays above that purple line, the bulls 100% own the chart. As far as where the sellers are hanging out at and levels of resistance, that's right up here at about $6.15. You can see on two separate occasions, both during the final 30 minutes of the day. And then previously, that's where the price got rejected. So for whatever reason, there are some sellers up there at $6.15. So that'll be the level that needs to be pushed through if this current price movement is going to get any sort of continuation. All in all, though, no doubt about it, very nice move today. It'll be interesting to see how this one closes out the week tomorrow. One of the biggest questions that I get is, hey Clay, how do you find the stocks that you trade? So what I've done is put together a free resource guide where I talk about the tools that I use to locate stocks that I find interesting and think may have potential. So if that sounds like something that could add value to you as a trader, then click on the image that is up on the screen right now and I will email you the guide. The guide itself is very short and to the point, and best part, it's completely free. Thanks for watching the video. Let me know if you have any questions.